Hello everyone! Hello everyone! It is Bex here and I am on a boat! I'm on a cruise ship in the Caribbean and I swore I wasn't going to work this week, but I can't quit, you guys. And I've been having such a wonderful experience with a brand new practice and I wanted to share it with you. So I'm doing this very quick video on how to meditate your way to manifesting your biggest dreams and deepest desires and creating an everyday that you love. And I want to give it to you right now. So there's a couple steps to it, and there's also a book that I want you to listen to, but you don't have to listen to it. It was shared with me by my life coach, Zander, from the Handel Group. She is the creator of the Handel Method, and it's been working wonders for me. So first off, the book. It's called Feeling is the Secret. It's a very old book. It only takes 33 minutes to listen to, and I'm going to give you the link to the particular audio that I want you to listen to because there's many, many different versions of it. But Feeling is the Secret. Check the video description for that book. It's good. So this is all you have to do, and it's super easy, and I guarantee that it's going to make you feel better after just one night's sleep. The first step. And this might be the hardest part of it. Deciding what you want. Creating the dream. So I want you to put yourself in the future. And it could be a month into the future, a year into the future. Mine goes pretty far into the future, maybe 10, 15 years, but it doesn't matter where you're going. It's the steps and the feeling that's going to bring you there that really, really matter. So I want you to write down in your journal during the day a perfect day in the life of your dreams. So it could be you waking up in the morning and how you're feeling and what you're seeing, where you are, the smells, the sounds, the people that are surrounding you. Just put yourself in that place and write it down in as much detail as you can. The more detail, the better. And don't worry if you don't get it all down, because over time you're going to add to it. You're going to dream up even bigger and better scenarios and more vivid detail, and you'll just add and add and add and add. And now the second part. This part is the juiciest part and the part that really creates the magic for you. Before you go to bed, I want you to revisit that dream scenario and to feel the feeling that you would have knowing that you have accomplished that dream. The feeling of your wish coming true. The feeling of your deepest desires being fulfilled. What does that feel like? So right before I go to bed, I have a set routine, and I share it in one of my latest blogs, the 7 ways to fall asleep fast. It's linked in the video description. I listen to something called binaural beats, and I have an app for it. It's in the blog, and I track it with my favorite songs of all time, songs that really elicit feel good, amazing, juicy feelings like in my soul, in my belly. So I listen to these songs very low. I put the phone under my pillow, and the pillow acts as a little amplifier, but it blocks out the sound so my husband doesn't have to hear my Indigo Girls and Tracy Chapman. And then these binaural beats that help with brainwave activity and putting me into a deep sleep. And while I'm listening to these, I go back to that feeling of having my wish fulfilled, that feeling of having my dreams come true. And what this does, this is the magic of it. When you're in that state between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, you are very susceptible to suggestion, like in hypnosis. So when you're completely at peace and feeling calm and receptive, and you put those good, juicy feelings inside that space, you actually believe them. They become true for you. And what happens for me when I'm thinking of my dream scenario, I start to smile and I start to see even more detail. It really becomes real. I see pictures on the wall. I hear sounds. I smell smells. It becomes so real. And when I enter into a dream state with those feelings, all of my dreams are also that subconscious activity while I'm asleep are supported by those good feelings. And then the very best part, when I wake up the next morning, I wake up feeling refreshed, happy, in alignment with my hopes and dreams, and I start to act as if they're really real. The first night that I did this, I woke up the next day and I was walking in public and people were just smiling at me. And I had no idea. It was super weird. I had no idea why all these people are smiling at me. I'm like, do I have something on my face? Is my hair doing something crazy? And I realized it was because I was smiling. I was standing up tall. I was excited about the day. I had a feeling that I was unstoppable because my dream, the thing that I worked so hard for every single day, had already come true. I felt it. I was there. So I want you to do this for me, and I want to hear back how it works for you. And I don't care if it sounds weird or you tried it before and it didn't work. I want you to do it just like I'm telling you. I want you to get that book, Feeling is the Secret. It's linked in the video description. There's a very specific version that I want you to listen to. So get that link that's in the video description. I want you to write down your dream day. Write it down in your passion planner, ding, or anywhere that works for you, a piece of paper, your journal, on your phone. It doesn't matter. And then when you go to bed tonight, I want you to imagine the feeling you would feel if that dream came true. Put yourself in that place and maybe smile and maybe listen to your favorite music. I give those tips in the blog that I linked in the video description below. But those 3 things, download the book, listen to it. It takes 33 minutes. Do it during meditation. Write your dream scenario and then feel those feelings right before bed and go to bed instead of taking your to-do list or your stress of the day or what that person said about you or freaking political discussion on Facebook or whatever. Dump that and feel the good feelings instead. And then tell me how you feel the next morning. If you can't tell, I'm super amped. This practice is working for me. And I'm so excited about it. And when I get excited about something, I don't care if I'm on vacation or if I'm on the moon, I'm gonna get it to you guys. That's what I'm doing right now. So while you're watching this, I'm no longer on the cruise ship. I want you to write me back. I want you to comment. I want you to tell me all about it because I'm gonna answer you. I'm like so ready to talk about this and have this big discussion. This is such a big deal and it's so important. It's so important to feel like you already have what it takes to have everything you want. You have to believe it because it's true. It's the truest thing that I'm ever going to say to you. That you are worthy of feeling that you already have everything you need to make your dreams come true because you do. I love you guys. I will see you everywhere in the private Facebook group, in my newsletter. Make sure you sign up for all the things and keep watching BexLife videos because I love it when you do. I'll see you guys.
Hey everyone, it's Bex here, and I'm back with another video in my series, You Have 4 Minutes for Meditation. Today's meditation is by very popular request. It's for sleep and relaxation.